1, 2, 3. Mommy, cupcake! Ta-da! I'm going to put a cake mix. Do a cup of oil. We're going to dump the water in the pail. Now we're going to stir. Stir, stir, stir. I love the cake, Mom. I like it. We're going to dump the cake mix in there.
Okay, ready?
Now, 1, 2, 3. My mom had to put the cake in the oven. The oven's hot. Yay, the cake is done. Yummy! Thanks for watching for cake.